From Studio 306, this is Titans Today, Northside Middle School's weekly announcement podcast. Today is Monday, September 19, 2022. Now let's go to the newsroom with your hosts, Rakaya and Charlie.
Titans, it is Monday.
Which means it's time for another broadcast of Titans Today.
After a fantastic 3-day weekend.
Charlie, what did you do on Friday?
I visited my grandmother's house and slept wonderfully. How about you, Rakaya?
I went to a birthday party, then decided to go to the movies. Are you ready to get into the broadcast?
Yes, now let's turn to the news. Titans, it is never too late to think about your future. 21st century scholars are a great opportunity to get a free education. Applications are now live for the school year. If you are a 7th or 8th grader, then you are able to apply. In the future, there will also be educators here at Northside to give more information.
If you like Titan TV, then you should watch the Titan TV Daily, an all-day live stream of the news right here on Titan TV channel. The Titan Choir will have a concert on Tuesday, October 4th called Be a Light in the auditorium. The concert features the performance of Tatacious, Titan singers, and the beginner choir. It will also be live streamed right here on Titan TV.
Did you get a bad picture taken last picture day? Well, lucky for you, there is a picture retake day on October 5th.
And those are all of our top stories for today.
Let's now go to Janiyah to hear about the weather for the week and what happened on this day in history.
Thanks, Charlie. Looking at today's weather, look for everything to be sunny with a high of 86 degrees. And a low of 67 degrees. The rest of the week looks to include sunny skies with a few clouds, with the highs of 80s and the lows of 60s. Then taking a look at the weekend, Saturday will be sunny, with a high of 77 degrees and a low of 50 degrees. And Sunday will be rainy. And Sunday it will be rainy, with a high of 74 degrees and a low of 51 degrees. Then taking a look at the weather in the world. Our event for today is Delaware Taco Festival, taking place at Tubman Garriott Riverfront Park. You'll find over 25 of the area's best restaurants selling for $4 tacos. This event is definitely looking all of you taco fans. This weather at Wilmington, Delaware this Saturday will be sunny with a high of 84 degrees and a low of 68 degrees. That's all the weather here in Titans TV land and beyond. Now let's take a look at what happened in this day in history. On this day in history, September 19th, William Wheeler died in 1668. He was an English soldier. Also on this day, Shirley Temple got married in 1945 to John Edgar. A birthday on this day is actress Sienna Langton, was born on this day in 1971. In the sporting world, 11 baseball games were canceled in 1901 due to a funeral of President William McKinley. Today is National Butterscotch Pudding Day. Butterscotch is so good. Now let's get a glimpse at what happened and what is happening in this world of Titan sports with Drevin and Amaya.
What's up, Titans?
It's time for sports
with boy Drevin
and girl Amaya.
Amaya, welcome to the sports team.
It's a joy to be in this segment with you, and I love what you've done to the studio.
Thanks, but I didn't do this.
Oh, you didn't?
No! I don't want to ruin my Drevin hands. I'm a Titan TV legend.
Okay. Well, moving past that, what a week of sports we had last week.
Yes, and the results are in. Let's take a look at Titans Today scoreboard powered by 3011. Wednesday, September 7th, our Titans soccer team had a game at LaPel. And like always, we won with a score of 5-1. Boy, oh boy, are we cracked! Or at least we were until Thursday, September 8th.
Yes, sadly on that Thursday, the Scots from Anderson Highland destroyed our dreams of an undefeated soccer season. They beat us with a score of 1-5.
But never fear, because Drevin is here.
There is no need to fear. Underdog is here.
That has absolutely nothing to do with what we're talking about.
Yes, it does.
No, your team lost. The team that you're about to announce, you do not play in.
On Monday, September 5th, our Lady Titans took on the Falcons from Winchester Driver for a home volleyball match.
Both the 7th and 8th grade teams scored a W for the night.
Our Titan TV sports crew was on the scene to catch all of the action.
Take a look.
How do you think the game went?
It went good. We did what we were supposed to do. We talked, and yeah.
Oh, it was a great game. I thought we did excellent. We've been working really hard in practice, and I'm really proud of the girls. They're awesome. They're 2-2 now.
I think the game went good, you know. I think that we had a couple mistakes, but we still ate and we got the ball over.
I think it went really well. You know, we're starting to put the pieces together, and yeah, so I think it went really, really well, especially because we won.
What was your favorite moment in the game?
I think just the way that we're starting to get all three hits together and making sure we get some big kills. You know, our serving was really good tonight, so I think that was the best part of the game.
I think at the very end, when people were, we started to realize how close it was, people, started getting together. We were already together, but...
It was kind of rough, right? And we got 3 hits, and that's when it's a bump, set, and then spike. And then my other favorite moment is when I hit the ball too hard and it went out.
Oh, I thought it was really close at the end when McCullough, they caught up. What was it, 22-20? It was getting a really close game. I thought we played really well at that moment, pushing to the end and getting the win.
What's something you think the team can improve on?
I think we can improve on our passing a little bit. We can work on that a little bit, and our hitting a bit.
Watching the ball more and staying down low.
We can improve on talking.
Probably communicating, no talk.
As a team, we could work on calling it.
Little communication. You know, we're still trying, like I said, we're still trying to figure some stuff out. You know, once they start talking, I think we'll be in a much better place.
That's all for the volleyball game. I'm Kylia, and back to you, Drevin.
Thanks, Kylia.
What a great night of volleyball until the next day. Bring us more bad news, Amaya.
Well, after coming of a victory from the night before, the volleyball team fell to Jay County at their away game on Tuesday.
Always such a party pooper.
At least I'm invited to parties.
Do you know what was a party?
What?
The cross-country meet from last week!
Absolutely. On Tuesday, September 6th, the team traveled to Westdale Middle School to face Westdale, Cowan, and Muncie Southside.
The top runners for the boys were Marcus C. placing 3rd with a time of 12:11, ETNR finishing 7th with a time of 13:21, and Parker S. placing 9th with a time of 13:39.
And for the girls, we have Lainey M. placing 8th with a time of 17:26, Abby W. placing 9th with a time of 17:35, and Rihanna D. placing 13th with a time of 18:58.
Let's now jump forward to Saturday, September 10th for the cross-country team. Had a meet at Randolph at 7.
The top 3 for the boys were Marcus C. with a time of 12:29, Parker S. with a time of 14:26, and TJG with a time of 16:18.
Top 3 for the girls are Lainey M. with a time of 16:53, Rihanna D. with a time of 19:01, and Hannah W. with a time of 19:05.
And those are all of the results powered by 3rd and 11.
But speaking of results, we have the results of last week's NFL Pick'em Pool sponsored by Pryor Foundation.
Congratulations to Mrs. Level in the main office.
Now, let's stop living in the past, Amaya.
All right, let's look to the future and see what sporting events we are taking place this week. Today at 5 p.m., our 7th and 8th grade Lady Titans will have a volleyball home game against Alexandria Middle School. Let's go and win some volleyball.
Also today is a cross-country meet at 5 p.m. We'll be facing Delta and Blackford at Delta Middle School. Race on, Titans!
Our 7th and 8th grade Lady Titans volleyball team will be facing Highland Middle School Scots right here Wednesday, September 21st at 5 p.m. Let's get a victory, ladies!
Also this Wednesday, our 6th grade Titan volleyball team will be taking on the Scots at Anderson Intermediate School. The match starts at 5 p.m. Let's crush them, Titans!
Next Wednesday at Northside, our 6th, 7th, and 8th grade soccer team will go against the Southside Panthers at 5:30 p.m. Let's go score some goals!
On Thursday, September 22nd at 5 p.m., there will be a co-ed cross-country meet at Southside. We'll be facing Southside and Selma. Good luck to those Titans.
On Thursday the 22nd, our Titan soccer team will be traveling to Yorktown to compete against the Yorktown Tigers. Good luck and go get your kick on.
This Thursday, the volleyball team will be traveling to Selma Middle School where they will face the Braves at 5 p.m. Let's bring home a dub!
And finally, on Saturday, the 24th cross-country co-ed team will travel to Delta Middle School for the Eagle Invitational, starting at 9 a.m. Run like the wind, Titans.
Much sports,
much fun,
and much drumming,
but not too much.
Those are all of our Titan sports for the week.
Let's take the opportunity to come out and support some of your fellow Titans.
But for now, let's move this broadcast forward by sending it back to Janiyah in the sound booth.
She has this week's Titan birthdays.
Take it away, Janiyah.
Thanks, Drebin. Here are our Titan birthdays for this week. Happy birthday to Allison R., Cora J., Emiliano S., Jacory P., Cora M., Anthony S., Avery J., Stormy S., Avery F., Emma K., and Nora B. Those are our Titan birthdays we have now. It is time to rest to test your trivia with our Titans Today Trivia Challenge. The rules for Trivia Challenge is go like this. Every week we'll ask a trivia question. When the broadcast is over, decide as a success class the correct answer. Your teacher will then send that answer into the link in their email. Last week's answer 4 was the NASCAR driver Richard Petty's longtime sponsor for his racing career was STP Oil. The success classes of Foster, Wickwire, Mazel, S. Pierce, Rector, Stiles, Cardi, Boggs, Newman, DuBois, Teal, Collins, Jackson, Pryor, Young, and Freeze. Guess the correct answer. Keeping Mr. Foster and Mr. Wickware's classes in first place with 3 points. And now for 1 point, here is the week's question. As we have said before, our studio is Studio 306. What is the room number for when we have regular broadcasting classes? Discuss as a class after the broadcast, and good luck to all on this week's trivia challenge. Let's go once more to Studio 306 with our news anchors to hear about all the clubs going on this week.
Thank you, Janiyah, and good luck to all of the success classes.
Do not forget about Mr. Williams Challenge 3.
The challenge is to be in at least 3 clubs or sports this year.
So here are club news for today. Do you need help with homework help? Well, you now have a chance to get assistance. This will help you get your grades up. This is sponsored by the Higher Foundation. This is every Monday through Thursday. You must have a permission slip turned in. Come to the office if you need one.
You like jazz? If so, you should look into the jazz club meeting every Wednesday, 8 a.m. to 8:45 a.m. in the band room. You don't have to be in band to join the club. Make sure you enter at door 8.
The SCA club meets at the end of each week on Fridays. Come to the choir room from 8 a.m. to 8:40. Doors open at 7:50. Everyone is welcome.
Do you like to make food? Well, there is a cooking club interest meeting in room 205 in Thursday, September 29th. This will take place from 4 to 4:15.
Finally, the fall play is just around the corner. Head to the auditorium on either day or today or tomorrow to audition for the Enchanted Bookshop from 4 to 6 p.m. with callbacks Wednesday, September 21st from 4 to 6 p.m. Show dates are November 18th, 19th, and 20th. For more information, please see Miss Cardi.
And that's all we have for club news today.
There's so much to do at Northside.
So make sure you get involved.
You might just find yourself on one of our broadcasts in the future.
But until next time, it's time for us to wrap this edition of Titan TV today. I hope everyone has a good Monday. From all of us here in Titan TV, I'm Rakaya.
And I'm Charlie.
And this has been Titans Today by students for students.
Remember that Titans are a team.
And never forget to stay classy, Titans.